How's it going, Airsofters? You're joining my friend Snake for a brief gameplay back at Cobblestone with his Ssr4 Mk2.
I'm just about to see it.
The game mode today is Team Deathmatch.
Nag on a B90.
Wait, can I see that? Can I see that?
Yeah.
What the fuck is that?
It's my baby.
Can I shoot like a little burst real quick? Yeah, I'll shoot a yellow cat, don't worry. Yeah, shoot over there, there's a yellow guy over there.
He's also running his 3D ghillie suit today.
Hit!
See that we're held in?
Yeah, two right here. Yep.
I don't see anybody.
He's straight right on my 12. He's coming around left. He's gonna go into the river. Princess.
Yeah.
How are we looking?
I think there's still two in the pit.
He's down. Yeah.
How many were down there? Weird.
Okay, I'm thinking hitting this sagebrush. Oh,
Yeah.
there he is. Oh, you got him.
Reload.
Yep. Hit! 4.
I think I just didn't get hit because you got hit.
Yeah, exactly.
Right behind
No,
you,
that's
but
all right.
It was perfect.
10. Yeah, exactly. A human shield.
Yeah.
Yep, he's hit. Hit! Hit! Hey, I'm hit!
As you can see, for an AEG, the Ssr4 Mk2 is super snappy.
Oh, no way, he's not hit.
Oh, I see him.
Oh, yep. Yep, they're gonna come up along this right side, so just be ready. Oh, hit!
We're dead!
Oh, you need a red rag.
How about that? Are we shooting at you?
No, your guns were down though, so they gotta be up.
I don't like to give other players a
Your
hard
gun's gotta
time,
be up or
but
else
these
I don't know
players
you're
were just
dead.
not cool. First off, you are required to have a red rag. But still, like Snake said, if you aren't using a red rag like you're supposed to, it doesn't matter if your gun is up or down. The whole point of stealth in a ghillie suit is to catch the enemy with their guns and pants down. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think. Definitely check out some of my other videos, and I will see you in the next one.